Hello.
Hi.
So today we are here assembled to know about computer.
Yes.
So we've already dealt with set A. Now we'll look into set B, the theory part. Can you tell me what is a software or an app?
Software is a collection of instructions, data, or computer programs that are used to run machines and carry out particular activities. It is antithesis
Is the antithesis of
of
hardware,
hardware,
which
which
refers
refers
to
to
a
a computer
computer's
external
external
components.
components. Very good. Or you can also say a software is basically a set of instructions or commands that tell a computer what to do. Okay? Software is a computer program that provides a set of instructions to execute a user's commands and tell the computer what to do. So, how many types of software are there?
Two types of software: system software and application software.
Very good. So, can you explain me the system software?
System software is a software that directly operates the hardware, computer hardware, and provides the basic functionality to the users as well as to the other software to operate smoothly. It is
Okay, so it's a special type of program that loads automatically when we start a computer.
computer.
Examples are PC,
Piece.
Linux, Windows, Apple, Mac OS, etc. And for mobile phone, we have Android, KitKat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, Jelly Bean, Oreo, Pi, Android 10, 11, and 12, etc. So the types of system software. So you told me there are two types of software, that is system software and application software. Now coming to the system software, we have three types. One is the operating system, another one is language processor, and then we have the device driver. So to remember, I can just help you with the mnemonic OLD. Okay, O for old. Operating system, O for operating system, L for language processor, and D for device driver. So just to help you in remembering. So what are the types of system software, Shravanthi? Again, can you tell me? So the types of system software are?
Operating system, language processor, and device driver.
Okay, what is operating system? So that's the main program of a computer system. When the computer system is on, it is this first software that loads the computer's memory. So can you give me the examples of operating system?
Microsoft Windows, Linux, Apple, and macOS.
Etc. Okay. So what is the language processor? Just like we are using a human language to read and write, that is human understandable, readable language, but computer understands its language. It's called machine language. Okay, so when we give some instructions to the computer, it converts it into a computer language or machine language. Okay, from human readable language, and again from the machine language it gets converted back to human readable language. So who does this? That is the software. That language processor does this. So that's why so can you tell me what exactly is the language processor? Tell me.
Java, C.
That system software
That
which
system
converts,
software which converts the human readable language into a machine language
and
vice versa.
Okay, so this conversion is done by the language processor. And can you give me some examples of language processor?
Java, C, C++, Python, etc.
Okay, so now let me tell you what exactly is the device driver. So device driver is a program or software that controls a device, okay, and helps the device to perform its functions. Every device is like a printer, mouse, keyboard, modem, etc. needs a driver to connect with the computer system externally. So when you connect a new device with your computer system, first you need to install the driver of that device so that your operating system knows how to control or manage that device. Okay. Now we'll explain application software. So till now we have dealt with system software. Now we'll take up application software. So application software is basically designed to perform a specific task for end users or it's designed basically to fulfill end users requirements. Okay, example Word, Excel, Photoshop, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. You use all these, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, what are the types of application software? We have three types. Again, you can remember it as
General purpose of
you can
software.
remember a mnemonic like this, um, GUC, GUC. Okay, you can remember it as GUC. That is G for general purpose software, U for utility software, and C for customized software. Or you can even remember it like this: Mama does different varieties of tasks at home, right? So this task, she's a multi-purpose. She's taking care of your cooking, your education, your upbringing. She's working as well as she's managing her job, her clinic, and laundry or whatever, your clothes, your overall functioning of the house. So she is a multitasking member of the family. So same way, the computer also, the type of application software which is used for a variety of tasks and is not limited to performing a specific task only. So that is the general purpose software. Now you got it? Now coming to utility software. Utility software is something like Papa. He takes care of the rations, he takes care of the infrastructure of the family, right? He takes care of your fees, your basic necessities, he pays for all your bills and all that, right? So basically you can just to give you an idea to remember a simple mnemonic. GUC, that is general utility and customized software. So utility software you can compare to a papa, okay, father. So where he takes care of the infrastructure of the family. Similarly, utility software also is supporting the computer infrastructure. Okay, so this software application software is used to support the computer infrastructure. It is designed to analyze, to configure, to optimize and maintain the system and take care of all its requirements. Okay, what are the examples? Can you read this for me? What are the examples?
For
Antivirus.
antivirus, disk fragmenter, memory tester, disk repair, disk cleaners, registry cleaners,
Disk
disk
space
space
analyzer,
analyzer,
etc.
etc.
Now, coming to the other last software, that is the customized software. You can compare it to your maid, servant, or helper at home. So, she is designed to perform only specific tasks. So, where she comes, she farafat does some work, and then she goes off. So, this is something like a custom task she's doing. Okay, so customized software is also used or designed to perform specific tasks or functions or designed for specific organizations only. For example, railway reservation system, airline reservation system, invoice management system, etc. So any doubt so far? No.
No.
Now can you tell me what is a hardware?
Hardware refers to the physical and visible components of the computer system, such as a monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, etc.
What is a memory?
Computer memory is just like the human brain. It is used to store data and information
And
and
instructions.
instructions.
Okay, it's a data
It is
storage
the
unit or data
storage
storage
unit.
device.
Huh.
Okay, so where data is
Data
to
is
be?
to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored.
Very good. So coming to the characteristics of computer memory, it's faster memory, okay, as compared to secondary memory. It's also called semiconductor memory since it works on semiconductor technology, and it's usually a volatile memory, and it's the main memory of the computer. Volatile means it works with the power supply. Once the power supply is cut off, the memory is lost. And also the computer system cannot run without the primary memory. Okay, what are the different types of memory?
Primary memory, secondary memory, and cache memory.
Okay, can you explain me primary memory?
It is also known as the main memory of the computer system.
And
It is used to store data and programs or instruction during computer operations.
okay, it uses
It
which
uses
technology?
Uses semiconductor technology.
So it's also called?
Semiconductor memory.
Okay, what are the two types of primary memory?
Random access memory and read-only memory.
Okay, random access memory is also called RAM or volatile memory.
Volatile memory.
Read-only memory is called ROM or non-volatile memory. Why? Because RAM is dependent on power supply. Once the power supply is cut off, memory is lost. While ROM is a non-volatile memory, it works even in absence of power supply. Okay, it can retain its memory. Now coming to RAM or random access memory, it has two types. Can you name them?
SRAM, static RAM, DRAM, dynamic RAM.
Yeah, SRAM or static RAM, DRAM and dynamic RAM. So what is the other type of primary memory? ROM, read-only memory. It's also a non-volatile memory. Can you give me the examples of ROM?
PROM, EPROM, EPROM.
Yeah, PROM, programmable read-only memory. EPROM is?
Erasable programmable read-only memory.
And EPROM is?
Electrically erasable
programmable read-only memory. Can you tell me, explain me the secondary memory, please?
It is also known as auxiliary memory
or backup memory.
Backup memory.
It's
a non-volatile memory
and
used to store a large amount of data and information. The data or information stored in secondary memory is permanent and it is slower than primary memory.
Very good. What are the types of secondary memory?
Magnetic tapes, magnetic discs and optical discs.
And what are the types of optical discs?
CD, ROM, worm, write once, read many and DVDs.
What is the full form of worm? Write once, read many. Achha. And DVDs. So what is cache memory? Can you explain me?
It's a type of high-speed semiconductor memory that can help the CPU run faster. Between the CPU and the main memory, it serves as a buffer.
Okay, it's used to store the data
and programs that the CPU uses the most frequently.
Okay, can you give me the examples?
Web browsers typically use a cache to make web pages load faster by storing a copy of the web page files locally, such as on your local computer.
Very good. So that is about cache memory. Now what is volatile memory?
Volatile memory is used to store information based on power supply. If the power supply is off, all the data and information on this memory will be lost. For example RAM, random access memory.
Okay, what is non-volatile memory? It can store information permanently even when the power supply is off. Okay, example ROM. You said na, EPROM, EPROM, PROM. They are all ROMs, non-volatile memories. Now, can you explain me memory measurements? What is a bit?
It is the smallest unit of data that a computer can process and store the data. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1.
Yeah, so it's also called binary digit. Okay, the two binary digits are 0 and 1. And this language is called binary language. Computer can best understand the binary language. Now, what is a nibble?
Nibble is just a greater version of bit. It is a combination of 4 bits.
4 bits form a nibble. It's a half of an octet. It represents also a single hexadecimal digit. So, what is a byte? It consists of 8 bits.
It consists of
8 bits.
8 bits.
So, how much is 1 KB?
1024 bytes.
And 1024 bytes form 1 kilobyte or KB. 1024 kilobytes form 1
MB.
That is megabyte. 1024 MB forms 1
gigabyte.
1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes form
1 TB terabyte.
So what is 1024 TB or terabytes equal to?
PB.
1 petabyte.
1 petabyte.
Okay, 1024 petabytes form
1 exabyte.
1 EB or exabyte.
हाँ.
1024 EB or exabytes form 1
1 zettabyte.
or ZB. 1024 ZB or zettabytes form 1
YB, yottabyte.
yottabyte or YB. 1024 YB forms or 1024 yottabytes form 1
1 brontobyte.
BB or brontobyte.
Brontobyte.
Acha, 1024 BB or brontobytes form 1
1 geobyte.
geobyte. Very good. Geobyte is the highest
Highest memory unit.
memory unit. What is the use of the computer port?
To connect with other devices.
Which of the following device is used for gaming?
Joystick.
Which of the following memory cannot be directly accessed?
Secondary memory.
A spreadsheet is the best application for
Handling simple accounts and calculations.
the speed of a modern printer is generally measured in
ppm, parts per million.
which of the following statement is correct about the virus?
The virus is a small program that infects a large program in the user system.
Okay, which of the following languages computer understands best?
Binary language.
Yeah, there are 4 options: Java, C language, binary language, and object language. Binary language is the language which computer understands best. Okay, what are the 4 bits called?
Nibble.
What is the full form of VDU?
Visual display unit.
What is the full form of EEPROM?
Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory.
Which of the following is a non-volatile memory chip?
EEPROM.
In which of the following the second generation computer was based?
Transistor.
What is a single dot on a computer screen called?
Pixel.
Okay, which of the following language was used in first generation computers?
Machine language.
Which of the following statement is correct about the URL?
URL is the address of the web page.
Which one of the following parts is called the brain of the computer?
CPU.
Which of the following memory is a volatile memory?
RAM.
It's also called
Random access memory.
the cache memory works between
CPU and RAM.
which of the following memory is very fast memory in a computer?
Cache memory.
Which of the following type of device is a computer microphone?
Input device.
Which of the following device is used for both input and output?
Modem.
Which of the following device is a portable device?
Laptop.
Which of the following 2 memory is the main memory in a computer?
RAM and ROM.
Which of the following statement is correct about the DVD?
DVD is an optical disc.
Very good. Which of the following is not an operating system?
Oracle.
Which of the following is the extension of notepad?
Text.
.txt. What is the full name of FAT?
File allocation table.
BIOS means?
By operating system.
What is the mean of the booting in the operating system?
Restarting computer.
When you delete a file in your computer, where does it go?
Recycle bin.
What is the full form of IDL?
Interface definition language.
Which of the following is a single user operating system?
MS-DOS.
MS document. Which of the following is not application software?
Windows 7.
Which of the following operating system does not support more than one program at a time?
DOS.
Document. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence?
John McCarthy.
Which of the given language is not commonly used for artificial intelligence?
Perl.
PERL, Perl. Okay, the rest of them which are commonly used for artificial intelligence are Lisp, Prolog and Python, but Perl is not used. What is the first step in the software development life cycle?
Preliminary investigation and analysis.
Which is identified as 4th generation language?
Unix shell.
Which is a type of software designed to help the user's computer detect viruses?
Antivirus.
Very good. Which of the following is not a type of scanning?
Cloud scan.
Okay, now can I ask you a few full forms?
Yes.
What is computer full form?
Common operating machine, particularly used up to date trade, technology, education, research.
So, common operating machine particularly used for trade or technology and education research is called computer. What is the full form of CPU?
Central processing unit.
UPS?
Uninterrupted power supply.
VGA?
Video graphics array.
HDMI?
High definition multimedia interface.
USB?
Universal serial bus.
CD?
Compact disc.
Digital versatile disc or video disc, DVD.
Disc.
Okay. RAM?
Random access memory.
ROM?
Read only memory.
HDD?
Hard disk drive.
FDD?
Floppy disk drive.
SSD?
Solid state drive.
www,
World Wide Web.
http,
Hypertext transfer protocol.
html,
Hypertext markup language.
pc,
Personal computer.
laptop.
Lightweight analytical platform, total optimized power.
What is smps?
Switch mode power supply.
What is sms?
Short message services.
bios,
Basic input output system.
lcd,
Liquid crystal display.
cu,
Control unit.
alu,
Arithmetic logical unit.
pdf,
Portable document format.
sata,
Serial advanced technology attachment.
ai,
Artificial intelligence.
it,
Information technology.
arpanet.
Advanced research projects agency network.
Who was the first? ARPANET was the first public packet switched computer network. Okay, what is FTP?
File transfer protocol.
FS,
File system.
ENIAC.
Electronic numerical integrator and calculator.
It was the first world's general purpose electronic computer. Okay, FAT.
File allocation table.
File allocation table is the full form of FAT. What is FM full form?
Frequency modulation.
What is the full form of GPS?
Global positioning system.
Full form of IBM?
International business machines.
ISO?
International Organization for Standardization.
What is the full form of JPEG?
Joint Photographic Expert Group.
PNG?
Portable Network Graphics.
SIM?
Subscribe.
So we have already learned most of it. Coming to the processors, we have Intel processor, Ryzen, various types of processors. Okay, Intel we have 13, 15, 17, 19 versions, and under Ryzen we have 3, 5, 9, 7. So what is 3000G? I mean around 3000G to 4500G. Okay, so coming to motherboard, yet we have 41, 61, 81, G2, M2. M2 we have various types: Gigabyte, Xeon, Foxen, HP. Okay, now can you explain me or define what an internet browser is, or a web browser?
A web browser takes you anywhere on the internet. It retrieves information from other parts of the web and displays it on your desktop or mobile service.
So you've come across various social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Shravanthi? So the CEO of WhatsApp was Jan Koum, and owner Brian Acton, and CEO of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg, and the owner Kevin Systrom. CEO of Instagram is Adam Mosseri, and owner Mike Krieger, and the CEO of Twitter is Parag Agrawal, and the owner is Audio. YouTube CEO is Neil Mohan, and owner Google. CEO of Microsoft Office is Satya Narayan Nadella, and owner of Microsoft Office is Bill Gates. The world's richest man is Bernard Arnault, and world richest woman is Bettercourt Meyers, a French woman. E-commerce site is basically a digital storefront on the internet, and the history of Google. On September 14, 1998, American scientists by name Larry Page and Sergey Brin from Stanford University in California found Google, and electronic mail or email you've come across, right? What is email? The full form is electronic mail, and Gmail is a Google Mail. It's an online email service provided by Google. Okay, Gmail. I hope we had a wonderful time knowing about computers.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, Shravanthi, for being with us.
It's my pleasure.
Okay. That's great. Thank you once again, Shravanthi.
Welcome.